Hi guys, and I'll be unboxing 1, 2, and 3 Super Soaker Nerf water guns. So I got 2 of these ones here, and which was on sale, and one of this double one. And I'll be testing them out after and seeing how effective they are and if they're really super soaker and do you actually get soaked. So let's just dive into the unboxing. Okay, and here we have the first one. Cool. There's a lot of water inside here. This is quite sturdy, but I think my other one, my little pistol, is a little more durable and I think it's better quality. But I was super surprised how weak it was, so I hope these are not weaker. And if these guys are weak as that one there, I'll probably return them. Okay, and then we have the manual here. The other one also had manuals. It was in here. So here. Okay, and this is the smart feature of the cap. So the spring-loaded cap, you can just open it and just put all the water inside quickly. Which this one here doesn't have that feature. So it opens and then it just stays a little open. So I think that's a little error, and then you can just push it in and it clicks in. But it should be locked in here. I'll test that out after. And it does look very weird. This is a lot bigger. So now let's go to the third one. I'm doing this with my Osmo Pocket. I just purchased the Osmo Action, so this is probably the last time I'm going to use this camera. A bunch of accessories. Just tell me in the comments below if you want me to do any video on the accessories. And I got a whole bunch of videos on why I bought it 7 months after. So here we go. Same feature, exact same gun. So now let's test them out. So with this gun here, it's quite easy to put water in and you can open it very easily. But if you put water in and then you close it like this slightly, you turn it over, the water comes out. You just gotta click this in, which is quite annoying, and then it's locked. But I do have a little issue of it dripping water. Oh. And also a really cool thing, if you really want to soak someone, is you just flip it over and then it just, all the water goes out really quickly. I'm gonna put some water in. I'm gonna stop there. Now let's go for the next one. Oh shoot. It's actually not so well. I just have water now everywhere because I just put it flat like this and just leaks. Like, what the hell is it? Okay, cool mechanism, but it leaks like hell. Oh shoot, it's a lot of water. So through my testing, the one I have 2 of, the one with a single shot and that gimmick, is way better. So as you can see, that was shot by the double, like 2 out of 10 times it gets a really nice double shot, but super short and not super strong. Whereas the other one is way better. So this is all from the one with double, but it has a way better leaking issue. It doesn't leak at all. The other one, the one I bought 2 of, it's way better. Like, this is how strong it is compared to the other one, and way longer range, but it leaks like hell. And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and please subscribe. It helps the channel a lot. And also the guns, you probably can get it for a really good discounted price on Amazon or something.